Now the next product that we're going to go ahead and unbox is the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. As everybody knows, there's probably like 50 million unboxings of these, but I'm assuming that there's different versions of the type of keys. Then you have like the switches, like the MX switches. This one is cherry, this one's RGB brown. So this is kind of like that in between, that nice soft feel, but you still got a little bit of clickiness, kind of a classic feel to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. So beautiful thing about Corsair and going with everything Corsair is the fact that they have what they call the IQ system. The IQ system basically allowing you to utilize can be controlled in one program. Oh man. So first, one of the big things I noticed already is a beautiful, oh wow. So if you look at this, the cord is actually braided. And it's actually already, it's pretty much braided and has that nice woven texture to the cable. So that way, basically, it doesn't look cheap whenever, you know, if this is something that you can't utilize necessarily look at the cable management perspective, and you have this sticking out. It's not ugly to look at, so this isn't bad at all. Has two USB, and I'm assuming one is probably for the function of the keyboard and the other one is probably for the powering of the USB lights, or this could actually be for an extension. Yep, so there's an actual extension, which I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So taking two ports, so I guess the mindset that they have is we're gonna take two ports, but we're gonna give you one back actually on the keyboard. And I don't know if you can see that there. There's a little port right there, which is, this has a little clicky feel, kind of semi-soft, but at the same time, not too hard, not too soft. So it's like in between. It's a real nice feel to it. Going to the wheel feels nice and sturdy. It's metal. Some people are probably wondering, why does that make a difference? It doesn't have like a cheap feel to it. Also, the weight of this, this top portion of it is stainless, black aluminum stainless. Then you have the bottom portion of it, which actually has, you can see it has like a cross X for if you have like maybe like the headset, or if you have a wired mouse or something like that, you can actually wire your items through the keyboard, which is actually a nice feature. Stands actually rubberized, and it has rubber at the bottom of the actual plate. So you can see what else is in here. Whoops, sorry. Oh, awesome. So they actually got the extra little keys, and it comes with a little key puller, if you can see that. Definitely hardcore gaming keyboard. K95, which is probably the best keyboard on the market as far as functionality. Well, probably performance, overall performance. There's a couple other keyboards out there with a little bit better functionality, but lo and behold, this is tried and true right here. Corsair, you really cannot go wrong with Corsair. And it has a nice little wrist rest. Is this magnet? Is this a magnet? It feels like it. Yeah, because I saw it pop out. That's pretty cool. You see? Yep, it's a magnet. So we'll go ahead and we're gonna plug this in. Plug these at the top. Yeah. All right, so now that's over with. Actually, that's not over with. So now, note, this keyboard is already on. Computer is actually off, and it's broad daylight. FYI. So once again, they have the IQ software which runs all Corsair products. And this, so yeah. So once again, that was the K95. It's not really much of an unboxing because we didn't go over too many features because the computer's not on yet.